Hey everyone, I'm on my way to go get this in for an oil change. I ordered something from Amazon and it finally showed up. Showed up about almost an hour ago. Since I couldn't get all the chemicals for the hot tub at the pool store, I was able to order one of them that I was needing. I had another one that I should have ordered, but I didn't. Because I at least want to get the oil changed on this because it needs it. Because it now is registering 21% oil life. So it needs it. Oh, it's a little bit after 2 and my appointment's at 3. I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.